Hi, this is Ankit, and this is the second presentation of my data science project with the model description and also with the test output. So let's get started. So first, let's take a small glimpse of the first presentation. In the last presentation, I talked about the dataset, problem, Gantt chart, and performed some basic EDA. The outline of my presentation are following. Part first, introduction. Part second, trend of movies and TV shows. Part third, top countries where movie and TV shows are released. Part 4, most appeared cast in movie and TV shows. Part 5, highest occurring genres in movies and TV shows. And the last part is distribution of genres in India, US, UK. So the model which I am used here is a trend analysis. So first let's know in a small that what is a trend analysis. It is mostly used for predict the future events. It can also be used to estimate uncertain event based on data. And in statistics, trend analysis often refers to techniques for extracting an underlying pattern of behavior in a time series. Now let's see some test output which I have generated with the help of Plotly library and Kaggle. So the first one is trend of movies versus TV shows based on year. Here the plot is showing using the bars where we are able to see the trend of movies versus TV shows. The blue bar showing the trend of movies where the red bar are showing the trend of TV shows. The next one is trend of movies versus TV shows during the month from January to December. And the next one is similar to the first, but here we are showing the data using line plot. Now let's go into some deep. First see the top countries where the movies are released. So here the bar chart with the blue bar showing the top countries where the movies are released. And in the movies, India is on the second position. Now the top countries where the TV shows are released. So here the bar chart with the pink bar are showing the top countries where the TV shows are released. And in the TV shows, India is on the 7th position. Now let's see the most appeared cast in the movies and TV shows. First, see the most appeared cast in movies. So here again, the data is showing using the blue bars, and the globally the most appeared cast in the movies is the Anupam Kher sir. Now the most appeared cast in TV shows, and here the data is showing using the pink bars. Now come on the genres, and the highest occurring genres in movies is the international movies, and also in the TV shows is the international TV shows. Now in the last, see this chart for the deep knowledge of distribution of genres in India, US and UK.